Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best weight rack cage is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any serious home gym enthusiast, providing a versatile and safe platform for a wide range of strength training exercises, from squats and bench presses to pull-ups and dips, ultimately helping you achieve your fitness goals more effectively and efficiently within the comfort of your own space. Number 5. Fitness Reality Power Cage Squat Rack. Experience peace of mind with our squat rack, rigorously ASTM tested to support up to 800 pounds. It's built to handle your most demanding workouts safely. Unlike others, we use solid steel for our safety arms, ensuring they can withstand heavy weights. You can trust its robust construction for your training. Achieve a full upper body workout with multiple grip options on the pull-up bar. It can even be reversed to fit in spaces with lower ceilings. This rack features standard 1-inch holes, making it compatible with a wide range of attachments. Easily add J-hooks, dip bars, and more to create your ultimate home gym. Enjoy a more comfortable workout thanks to the elevated and curved support brace. It provides extra space for your bench and eliminates tripping hazards. Combine this versatile cage with our weight benches and a full suite of attachments. It's the perfect foundation for a comprehensive home gym solution. What we like. This power cage is built with safety and versatility in mind. Its ASTM-tested 800 pounds capacity and solid steel safety arms provide peace of mind during heavy lifts. If you're looking for a robust and reliable foundation for your home gym, this is a solid choice. If you have a lower ceiling, the reversible pull-up bar is a great feature. What people say. The rack cage is very sturdy and stable, even when loaded with heavy weights. It has a wide range of adjustments for different exercises, making it versatile for various workouts. The safety bars are adjustable and provide an extra layer of security during heavy lifts. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Power Rack Home Gym. Build strength at home with this full-size power rack. It's designed for squats, bench press, shoulder press, pull-ups, and full-body workouts. Easily transition between barbell strength training, pull-up exercises, and resistance band workouts. This rack supports a wide variety of training methods. Customize your setup with 18-point J-hook adjustments, safety lock spotter arms, and an 8-position angled pull-up bar. It accommodates different lifts and users. Train with confidence on this strong home gym rack. It boasts a 300 pounds capacity for pull-ups and J-hooks, and 100 pounds capacity on each plate holder. Keep your Olympic weight plates secure and within reach with 2 built-in plate holders. This helps maintain a clean and efficient workout space. What we like. This unit offers a comprehensive home gym experience in a single rack. It supports a variety of exercises from barbell lifts to resistance band training. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution that can adapt to different users and exercises with its adjustable features, this is a great option for a complete home workout. What people say. The rack is sturdy and stable, even when loaded with heavy weights. Assembly was straightforward, with clear instructions and all necessary hardware included. The cage offers a good range of motion for various exercises, including squats, bench presses, and pull-ups. Number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness Power Zone Half Rack. Introducing the Power Zone Half Rack, engineered for serious strength training. Push your limits with its impressive half-ton capacity, allowing for maximum weightlifting potential. Adapt your training to your needs with adjustable pull-up bars. Easily modify settings to suit your height and preferred workout style for a truly personalized experience. Train with confidence thanks to the secure design. Adjustable J-hooks and spotter arms offer 18 settings, ensuring your safety while you focus on performance. Take your strength training to the next level by adding resistance bands. Integrated pegs allow for enhanced resistance, diversifying your exercise routine. Constructed with high-quality, durable steel, this rack is built to withstand the most demanding workouts. Its robust design ensures longevity and reliability for years to come. This versatile rack is compatible with a wide range of add-on attachments. Effortlessly expand your training capabilities and unlock new exercise possibilities. What we like. This heavy-duty power cage is designed for serious lifters with its impressive 1,000 pounds capacity. It also offers adjustable pull-up bars and integrated pegs for resistance band training. If you are aiming for significant strength gains and want a durable rack that can grow with your training, this is an excellent investment for your home gym. What people say. This rack cage is very sturdy and stable, even when loaded with heavy weights. The adjustable J-hooks make it easy to customize the rack for different exercises and users. The integrated pull-up bar is a great addition, allowing for a variety of upper body workouts. Number 2. HulkFit Pro Series Wall-Mounted Folding Squat Rack. Introducing the ultimate space-saving solution for your home gym. This wall-mounted rack folds away, allowing you to maximize your training potential without sacrificing space. It's designed for a wide range of strength training exercises, including squats, lunges, deadlifts, and bench presses. Elevate your training for bodybuilding, strongmen, or martial arts. Crafted from high-quality 11-gauge powder-coated steel, it's built to last. The thoughtful design includes rubber feet and protective plastic coverings for enhanced durability. Customize your workout with its adjustable pull-up bar and standard 2-inch hole spacing. The 4-way pin locking mechanism ensures a secure and stable training experience. This package includes the wall mount power rack, J-hooks, stringer mounts, crossbars, pins, and a pull-up bar. All necessary hardware and instructions are provided for easy setup. Despite its compact folded depth of less than 1 foot, it boasts an impressive 1,000 pounds weight capacity. Train with confidence knowing it can handle your toughest workouts. What we like. This power rack is a game-changer for those with limited space. Its wall-mounted folding design allows you to maximize your workout potential without sacrificing floor space. If you live in an apartment or have a smaller home gym area, this is the perfect solution to get a full-strength workout and fold it away neatly when not in use. What people say. The rack cage is very sturdy and well-built, capable of holding a lot of weight. Assembly was straightforward, and all parts were included and fit perfectly. The adjustable J-hooks allow for a wide range of exercises and accommodate different user heights. Number 1. Yes for all 500 pounds capacity dip bars for power cage. Unlock a wide range of exercises with 3 distinct grip positions. Target various muscle groups for a complete upper body workout, from push-ups to pull-ups. Built to support up to 500 pounds, this attachment provides a stable and secure foundation for your most demanding strength training sessions. Get started quickly with its easy setup and reliable pin locking mechanism. Spend more time training and less time worrying about equipment. Designed to fit most 2x2-inch power cages and squat racks with a 1-inch hole. It ensures a stable and wobble-free experience, letting you focus on your form. Work out with confidence knowing the rubber padding protects your power rack from scratches. It's a secure addition that safeguards your existing gym equipment. What we like. This product is an excellent attachment to enhance your existing power cage. It provides versatile dip bar functionality with multiple grip options and a high 500 pounds capacity. If you already have a compatible power rack and want to add targeted upper body exercises like dips and pull-ups, this attachment is a must-have for a more complete training regimen. What people say. The rack cage is very sturdy and stable, even when lifting heavy weights. It has a wide range of adjustability, making it suitable for various exercises and users. The safety bars are a great feature, providing extra security during workouts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.